Hi there, here's Rodrigo Sena, and today I'll show you how to play the cajon using the brushes. But not any brushes, check it out! You probably play or saw someone playing the cajon with the brushes. For me, this is the best way to play cajon without hurting my hands. That's why I started to play this way. Every time I played the cajon just using my hands in a gig or practicing it for a long time, I hurt myself, sometimes badly. So when I started to play with brushes, actually, I realized that it sucks. No pain, but no sound either. So brushes are good to avoid hurt yourself, but it's impossible to get a powerful and clear bass tone. And sometimes a precise snare sound also, just because brushes are softer and lighter than our hands. So after testing many ways to get a better and powerful sound with brushes, I tried something a little bit crazy. I made 2 holes in a tennis ball and put the brush stick into it, like this. I hit the tennis ball on the middle of the cajon, and guess what? Finally the bass sound came out. I did it first time in 2010. Since then, I've been playing with this tennis ball brush stick, and now, after many years of improvements, I call it the BeaterBrush technique. Now, I'll show you how to use it. First of all, you need a pair of brush sticks with a ball stuck into, like this. There's a link on the description that leads to my website. There you'll find a video tutorial that shows you how to do it yourself. Don't worry, it's very easy to do. So, to get a powerful cajon sound using the brush, you must learn how to take the 3 basic sounds. First one, the bass tone. Using the tennis ball brush on the middle of cajon, like this, you feel that the tennis ball is a bit heavy, but it's not a problem. Actually, this is the best thing about it. You don't need to put too much effort to take a deep and powerful sound, and also the ball bounces back, helping you to manage its weight. The grip is the same of a regular drumstick. Just hold like this. Second one, the side sound. Using the tip of the brush, you hit the cajon edge. This way, you can make a steady pattern, like a hi-hat on a drum kit. You can do quarter, fourth, 16th notes, whatever you want. You can also do accents, like the Samba pattern. There's a very important tip. When you hit the ball on the cajon to take the bass sound, the brush tip should hit on the side, like this, at the same time. It helps you to keep the side sound steady, so make sure your brush is flexible and long enough to do that. To alternate in between the bass and the side sound, you just need to make a whirl movement towards the cajon playing surface, like this. Third and last one, the snare sound. Using the other brush, you slap the top corner of the cajon like this. Your hand has to stay a little bit behind the playing surface, so you can get a powerful sound. Using the same hand, you can do also some ghost notes, using your fingers, like this. Or double the steady pattern, like this. I'll play now some grooves to show you how it sounds together. That's it. If you like the video, please click on the like button and click on subscribe to support the channel. Next video, I'll show you how to play the rock, pop, and funk grooves using the BeaterBrush technique. See you, take care.